Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. In today's video we're going to be reviewing the Royal Mint's 100 gram silver Britannia bar. Now I just want to start by saying a big thank you to a family member of mine who has his own precious metals stack, and he has allowed me to borrow some of his precious metals so I could create further content for you guys here on YouTube. So let's get down to the review of the bar. This is a 100 gram silver Britannia bar from the Royal Mint. It is struck in 999 fine silver. It features a contemporary depiction of Britannia on the front by the coinage artist Jody Clark. It is the Royal Mint's first 100 gram bullion bar featuring the Britannia. And the Britannia is surrounded by symbols of strength. As you can see here, the shield, the trident, and a Corinthian helmet. This picture and image always seems to remind me of Roman armour. Very cool indeed. I love the Britannia. Each bar is individually numbered and comes in these protective blister packs. On the reverse, it's got the Royal Mint's logo, 100 grams, which is its weight, 999 fine silver, which is its purity, and its individual serial number stamped into the bar. It has lovely wave designs on the back with a close-up mirrored wave design here. When we turn it back over to the front, it has further waves on the back, which makes it a very beautiful piece indeed. The details of these bars are so good, in fact, that it makes it very hard to create fraudulent copies. The Royal Mint really does have some of the best security and designed precious metals out there. It's very substantial. It has a nice weight to it, being that it is 100 grams. If we were to compare it to a 1 ounce silver coin, this is the size comparison. So not too dissimilar in size, but as you might expect, being that it's 100 grams compared to a 1 ounce coin, it is a lot thicker. Because I've got this coin in a capsule, it looks thicker than it is, but believe me, this 100 gram bar is a lot thicker. Overall, a very nice bar. If you're looking to buy one of these 100 gram bars, I would definitely recommend it from the Royal Mint, as it's their own precious metal, produced from them by themselves and sold from the Royal Mint. So you can guarantee authenticity and quality. A brilliant bar, and I will definitely be getting some of these in the future for myself. Thank you very much for watching as always. I hope you've enjoyed this episode, and until next time, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.